Joe Beermaster here. We have an 18 Jeep Compass. This goes for multiple years. Joe Beermaster, the car master. We'll show you how to get these little ends off when you're replacing the radiator support. Radiator, that is. That's right. We replaced the radiator support, but we're doing the radiator. And these are very difficult to get off. The first thing is to slide those clips off. Do you have that clip handy?
Right here.
There's a little clip in there. Slide clip.
Just take the clip. When you reattach it, you just take the clip, slide it in, and then this is the release. So you take it like that. You get a pry tool in there, but I took it completely off because we didn't have enough room to work.
All right, now to get this off, it gets on there because of the corrosion and everything. It's hard to do. You actually have to pull it up. So you work it around with a screwdriver without breaking it. You just get it started. And some of these are very difficult.
Get another screwdriver.
Get two screwdrivers, two people.
Just start.